Hello there, welcome to another Throwback Thursday. Recently I talked about the X series and the evolution of the X1 to the X7. Today I'm going to show you something about the BS. So a lot of you will know the current BS360, the best-selling commercial machine in the world. And we've talked about in the past its predecessors, the BS36, the Enzyme 360, and this lovely old brown thing here from West Germany, which I've done another video on. This one I've got today is a TBS32, badged as a Karcher, but made by Sebo. And this one is even older than our old brown one here. This one is possibly late 70s, we think early 80s. And we're going to have a look around this one, and as usual, we're going to give it a squirt around the floor. I'm going to do a little twist on the floor test today. So this TBS32 is about 40 years old, as we know. We're going to put it up against its brand new equivalent, the BS360. So 40 years old, brand new, but these machines are related to each other. They're both BSs. So let's see how they go. And now you can see why the BS series of Sebo vacuum cleaners are the best-selling commercial vacuums in the world. So few passes, and even the 40-year-old one does an identical job. It looks like an identical job to the brand new one. You couldn't really ask for any better, could you? So this is, I know I keep saying it because it's true, this is the best-selling upright commercial vacuum cleaner in the world, as used in Buckingham Palace, as used by the security services. We send these all over the place. They're in companies like Guinness and Hyundai and PricewaterhouseCoopers, Gucci, Chanel, all those kind of places that we send these to. So I'm going to, if I'm on a platform like YouTube where I can put a link down below, if you're interested in the best commercial machine you can buy, I'll bung a link down there to it. And this old TBS machine, 40 years old and still bloody brilliant. So what can you say about that? Sebo are good, and they're good for a reason. So I hope you enjoyed the floor test. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like and comment down below. And now it's time for Neil.